Hey guys, I'm here and I'm back with a video on my Pokemon Sword and Shield Fusion Strike. Before I start my video, I'll shoot my thing here. Block the mess. Sorry for the mess, guys. Okay, so before I start, all across North America, South America, all across Europe, Africa, Asia, Oceania, and the Middle East. Let's start. Grass Energy, Pangoro, Grappaloct, or Grappaloct something. Diggersby. Oh, nice! Sandshrew! Old school, baby. Qfat. Mbit tip. I don't know what the hell that is. Snum. Or Snum. Oh, nice! Jigglypuff. Chansey. Oh, a Courier. And that's it. So the only old school cards, well, they're kind of old school, but Sandshrew, Jigglypuff, Chansey, classics. Well, these are not, well, these are different, but the originals, the OGs, back in the 90s, but these are different, because this is Fusion Strike. So that's my card opening on Fusion Strike. I'll be back tomorrow with the Astral Radiance. Never opened that before. It'll be my first time. Still at a pull. So that's it for this video on my Pokemon opening on Fusion Strike. For now, my final thoughts. All across North America, South America, all across Europe, Africa, Asia, Oceania, Middle East. Subscribe if you're new. Share this video and push that like and the notifications, and live long and prosper. I'll see you guys in a minute when I go live. For now, peace.